When it comes to AI tools for creative projects, it's not easy to choose the right one. RunwayML and Peltarion both claim to bring innovation and power to the table, but which one is truly better for your needs? In this video, we're diving into the features, strengths, and limitations of both platforms to help you make a decision. Stick around to find out which AI tool I would personally recommend at the end. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Next, let's talk about the user interface. RunwayML has a sleek and intuitive design, perfect for creators who aren't deeply technical but still want to dive into AI. It's designed with artists, filmmakers, and designers in mind, offering a simple drag-and-drop interface for creating models and running experiments. The accessibility of RunwayML makes it ideal for anyone looking to integrate AI into their creative process without spending weeks learning a complex platform. On the other hand, Peltarion is more focused on providing a robust, scalable AI platform for both tech-savvy users and larger organizations. While it has a user-friendly dashboard, it's geared more toward developers who want to fine-tune their AI models with more precision. Peltarion's strength lies in its ability to scale and integrate AI into various systems, but if you're just looking to add a little AI magic to your projects without the hassle, it might feel like overkill. Next thing to consider is the variety of tools and capabilities each platform offers. RunwayML shines when it comes to offering a wide range of pre-built models tailored for creative tasks. Whether you're editing videos, generating images, or working with text, RunwayML has specialized tools that make these tasks easier. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other creative software like Adobe Photoshop and Premiere Pro, allowing you to streamline your workflow. Peltarion, however, leans heavily on machine learning and AI model training. While it does offer powerful tools for data processing and model training, it's not as creative-centric. If your project is more about crafting innovative content with AI, think videos, art, and design, RunwayML's pre-built tools might be the better choice. Now, let's talk pricing. RunwayML offers a free tier, which is a great way to get started with basic functionality, but if you're aiming to access more advanced features, it's going to cost you. The paid plans can get pretty expensive, especially for more professional-level access. If you're only using it occasionally, you might find the costs a bit steep. Peltarion also has a pricing model based on usage, which is ideal for businesses and larger teams, but the complexity can be overwhelming if you're just getting started. The pricing is more geared toward enterprise-level use, so if you're a freelancer or a small studio, this might feel like overkill unless you're prepared to invest in learning the platform. The fourth thing to discuss is community and support. RunwayML has built a great community of artists and creators, which can be a major advantage when you need support or inspiration. You'll find tutorials, user forums, and active feedback from people who are using the tool in ways you might not have thought of. Peltarion's community is more developer-focused, so if you're not a data scientist or a machine learning engineer, you might struggle to find the same level of creative collaboration. Both tools offer good customer support, but RunwayML's more creative focus might make it easier for people with artistic goals to get quick help. Finally, if you're looking for a platform that combines the best of both worlds, creativity and functionality, there's an alternative I've tried that blends the intuitive design of RunwayML with the powerful customization and scalability of Peltarion. After using both of these tools extensively, I can confidently say that this alternative not only saves time, but offers more flexibility for creative projects without compromising on performance. So, if you want to get your hands on this game-changing platform, take advantage of the exclusive free trial available through the first link in the description. You'll get the best deal and additional perks that are only available to our viewers. Trust me, this will be a game changer for your creative projects.